Alright, trying chicken feet for the first time. David, look. Can you look at me eat it?
No.
Like dead ass, I'm gonna try it. I'm not gonna try to be funny. I'm scared.
Bitch.
Ew. Wait, that's rude.
Rude. You calling from inside the house.
What? I'm scared.
It's your culture, loved one.
I know, I'm just scared.
Eat it, monkey.
Dude, it smells good. I've always smelt it and it smelled good. Oh.
A Grammy.
No. It smells good. I'm just...
It just tastes like the sauce. It tastes like chicken.
I can't.
Such an actor.
No, I swear. It's just the fact that it's a chicken.
But, bitch, you ain't vegan. I saw you eating chicken the other day. Don't lie.
Oh, you can't do it.